Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen. It's Jeff here from Forex Trading for Beginners. For you, those people who know me, it's all about changing lives and making a difference. Well, it's morning here in Thailand. Time is 8:34 a.m. And my father would not be happy because I've not had a shave for a couple of days. Well, living the trading lifestyle, you can get away with these things from time to time, but it's going to come off today. It's going to come off today. Anyway, the last few days, a few weeks, I've been sharing gold, silver, indices, true like Jeff moneyline strategy. I'm going to do it today with the difference. I'm going to focus on risk to reward rather than counting pips. Because the people who know the 500 pips per week club, you know it's possible to one-to-one mentoring. You know it's really, really possible. You can probably do that in a day. However, the target is only 500 in a week. Therefore, it's 101 day. So I'm going to share my screen and I want to show you something. We'll just go through the pairs again. Starting off with gold, ladies and gentlemen, starting off with gold. Where is it here? You see, I apologize. You see, some of these come down. Now, this was 2 days ago, did very, very well. Yeah, this was yesterday. Very nice. But the question is, the people who didn't know about the POC, the V70 strategy, what do you do when it goes the other way and you don't have a chance? When you don't have a chance, this will go off quite a lot, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to close all these for just now. So all, yeah. But you don't have a chance it goes the other way. Oh, that's why I think sometimes another form of income stream would be useful. One form of income stream is using the POC V70 strategy, and another one is using when it doesn't, when it goes the wrong way, either way up or down, when it's not in a conservative state, when it's in a discovery mode. Where it ends up, nobody knows. Trending market. So that's what I put together. Now, let me just stop my screen share for a minute. That's it. Welcome back. Yeah. So that's what I'm going to share with you today. Now, the reason why I'm sharing this is I know people have been following me for quite some time, maybe a couple of years or however long it's been. And right now we have 2 spots available before that starts 1st January, the turn of the year. And then the 7th of January, the opportunity closes down for the 500 pips per week club. We actually have been really busy, many people interested, many people enrolled, and now it's time to close it. But we have 2 spots left. So if you want one of those 2 spots, or you know a friend or loved one that would like it, what a lovely Christmas present that would be, 500 pips per week club. If that interests you, give us a call. Now, let me just check something here. Let me just check something here. Oh, let me just check something here. That's it. A little bit of Richard Clayderman in the background, ladies and gentlemen. Hope that's not too loud. Hope that's not too loud. Yeah, so I'll move that volume off. I try to get it off there. That's right, just there. I think I'm almost there. That's right. Now, are you there? Can you see me? Ah, sorry, no wonder you couldn't see me. Sorry, I apologize. Screen share. That's it there. Now, as you can see, POC was here and it went the wrong way. Now, this is a new thing I've been testing for some time. That's there, it's the end of the day, and that's the start of a new day. Yeah, something I've been testing for some time. working on, doing really, really well. I've been calling the money line, trade line, Jeff money line. We have two lines. You have a line here and one here. This is the one that changes color. Yeah. But we do absolutely nothing until it shows its hand. Now at this point here, we'll do something on the hour, normal candles. Yeah. We just horizontal line there. Now we could take the trade there and we could take it all the way to the moon. And we know that would be, that would be, thank you very much, 200 pips. So we've already hit a 500 pips week club. The target is only 100 a day. So you've hit it. So I've shown you that. You know it's possible. So let's forget pips. Because we still have all these to do. So let's forget pips. Let's now focus on risk to reward. Yeah. I'll do it with them all. Here we go. Look, I'll show you them all first of all. Look, there's another one. Look. If you want to see the pips, there's 200. There's another 570. That's 970, ladies and gentlemen. I'll just keep going. I advertise it as 500 pips week club. We'll go there. There's another 100 there, and then you get it coming back down again. Maybe a bit 90 coming back. Maybe getting there. 60, and it goes on and on. I'm not going to count it anymore. Up and down. It goes up, and you get it to come down if you wish, if you want. US 30, boom, up to there. German 30. I'll measure this one. Where's the thing here? Where is the thing here? There. So we've one line there. This one here. You do absolutely nothing until it breaks through the line. Boom. Thank you very much. And then you get it coming down as well. Thank you very much. But I don't want to focus on the pips today because people at home know it's easy to achieve with the 500 pips week club. So I want to focus on risk to reward, ladies and gentlemen. Look, there's a line, boom. There's a line, boom. And there, now this is one that we've got to be careful of. This is one we have to be careful of. I'll show you why. We have this big long candle, and then we have this is going back up the way, and it's still in a red zone. For me, if I saw that, the size of that is huge. Probably a bit from there. It's probably actually best to stay out of the trade. 500, over 500 pips for that one candle there. Yeah, if that was it, that'd be a good one to stay out. So I showed you. So let's focus on risk to reward. What I'm now going to do, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to 1 hour time frame. Maybe this would be better on one of the white candles. Oh, there you go, white candles, white background. Yeah. And now, as soon as I go down to the 15-minute, my matrix is going to be slightly wrong. So forget this matrix just now. Yeah, because we've achieved our aim. Yeah. Because the matrix is not set for the right time frame. Yeah, but anyway. Let me see if I can share this, ladies and gentlemen. I'll set the matrix to 15 minutes for you. So although it all works for the hour, I just want to share this with you. I cannot minimize. Okay, so how do I do this? I want to share this with you. Since this has been inbuilt, I'll try this. I can manage that. Yes, I can. That works. Good. I can do that. Perfect. So hopefully you should be able to see me now. Oh, not yet. Can you see this, ladies and gentlemen? Oh, you can see this here. So now I'm down to the 15-minute. Before I was an hour. Change the matrix to 15 minutes, the value I would normally use. And let me think the other. I'll change the settings for the session breaks. It's a bit thicker so you can see. I do apologise about this doing so. That's that there. And there's it. So this was the 1 hour. So basically, it's just went from 1 hour down to the 15 minutes. And I was looking for that line. That was it there. So you can see, it's just when it passes the line. It goes up a little bit, it goes back down right there. So there's one candle. I would probably enter in that candle, but you can choose to enter in that one, that. Any wish when you want, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. That was the candle for the hour. So you get any of them you wish. You get in the next one. So when it comes green, get that going up. Thank you very much. So just check risk reward. Now, to pass the FTMO is 10% a month the first month and 5%. So if we have an average of 20 trading days per month, 20 trading days per month, and you're looking for 10%, what's the amount we need to do to pass? What's the amount we need to do to pass? Yeah. Let me get this here. And pass. Okay. 20 trading days, approximately. Sometimes 22. Therefore, you need 0.5% each day over the 20 days to pass on average. Then that gives you the 10%. Yeah, that's all you need to do. 0.5%. Some people focus on huge wins, and you can't. Can you wish? Let's show you what happens today just by following the simple trade like Jeff money line strategy. Showed you it yesterday, but I showed risk reward. I've already shown you with gold at the 200 pips, but so I'm not going to mention pips again. Yeah. There we go there. So that was the candle, so you can get it there or any time after there. So I'd like to get it going up. You see we've got a line there, just there, good there. Where do we put the stop loss? Now you have options. It's up to you. You know, you could use a whip down here, or you could just the other side of the line. Now, I am in normal candles, ladies and gentlemen, not Heikenmash or anything. So I'll just put them, I'm just going to put this just the other side of the line, believe it or not. Yeah. And there's 2.5%, 2%. So we'll look for 0.5% a day. On the first little move, we'll pass our daily target. But we're not going to stop there, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to keep going until we get a matrix to see what happens. It goes up, as you can see, it goes up, it goes up, it's up, 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 up. And it goes as high as there, and then when it goes down, maybe about halfway through there. So that'd be the first trade. Yeah. But it's still in 1 day. Comes down, it's not my target, but our bubble is 200, and the matrix is green. So we get this here, getting either there or there. Yeah, so let's say we do get in this one. At this point, I do have something different for the stop loss. This one here, put it down there, and stops. And this is if you are trading the whole day, ladies and gentlemen, which I know you're not. All I'm trying to say is, so where's that there? You can either put it just below there, or you want it even just below there. There's another 1.61%, top of your 3.9. If you call it 3, 8, and 1, that's 4%. Our target is 0.5%. I'll carry on. Silver. Yeah, I've already done this, but this is one I prepared earlier, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, 7.39%. Where does it go? You put this the other side of the line, put this entry, and that's it there. Could you get out at a lower price? Yes, but you just need 0.5% a day. I'm just showing you what's possible. So the 0.5% just smashed. get my calculator out at the end. Here's another one here. This one I've only showed one way, 5%, just below the line, enter, boom. Yeah, another one. So what I'm going to start doing, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to start adding these up with my calculator. They get these in Scotland. Actually, and some people have smartphones, mobile phones, you actually have them on your phone calculator. They're really smart, actually. So let's just check what we could have got risk to reward yesterday. First one, let's call it 3%. Plus, call that 1.5. This one here, 7.98, call that 8. Yeah. Standard & Poor's 500. We have plus 5. So guess what, ladies and gentlemen? The matrix turns red. The money line turns red. It breaks through the line. Matrix breaks through the money line. The other side of that work, however you want, you can do it the line. I'm doing mine the line. You notice later on, these are not all winning trades. Yeah, it goes up there and eventually finishes there. There's another 7.5% plus 7.5%. This is we're doing 1% per trade. The NAS 100, same again. So big push up there. We don't get any of that. There's our money lines here, where it all works out, ladies and gentlemen. See what we got there? There's 5.8, now call it 5%. Then the money line tells us a sell, the matrix tells us it's a sell. So I'm just going to do plus 5.5. So we're now getting for a sell, a short. Yeah, halfway through there. You can do it there, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, let's do it there. Just the other side of the line. Come down. So it's just a showing of 20. It's not 4.69%. Let's call it 4.5.
Making your videos that much more impactful. And even better, dual videos can make complex or boring subjects fun.
The Dow Jones US 30.
So let me quickly show you.
Yeah, 6.49%. Did that? I could have got more. I could have got 10% on that one trade, but not. I'm bringing it down to the matrix, ladies and gentlemen. Let's call it 8%. It comes down, goes back up. At this point, I would have been a little bit uncertain. I would have been, because we've just got out here. Then we get this one here the other way. We're at red. We've now got another red, because we've hit this. We've hit this area, this high. If you look across there, there's an area, it's a high, a rejection area. It's rejection again, slightly lower. So at this point, this red line starts really pushing it strong down. If you want to get in at that point there, across this here. A short, for ensure. And it goes, and then it comes back. So we close. There, stop loss. So this is. I'm going to simply drag and drop the scene I want right into my video. As you can see, it really is so easy to use that anyone can make doodle videos, even if they have zero choices there or there. Drag your mouse, you can create a professional doodle video in a matter of minutes. Let's keep it there. Not only is let's call that 1%. Simple, but we also have a bunch of really cool settings available too. Yeah, on top of our 8% was there already. US oil. Or none at all. Nah, it's my idea for today. You can probably tell. Down a little bit, it did. I was hoping it would push further down, but it's what we've this area here, but pushed down to this area, and it's going up nicely. So for yesterday, what happened with the US oil? This one was a little bit, depending on how you trade it, potentially stop loss day, right? On the 1 hour, that was the line there. You could have got in the trade there, and it went the wrong way. Stop loss. If you have it there, 1%. If you had it under the day, you would have still been in the trade.
Oh, and
Yeah,
one more thing.
we lost 1%. We can get back in. Lost another 1%. So we've lost 2%, ladies and gentlemen. We're getting a bit disappointed with this. Yeah, so see this one is a strong push up. At that point, it turns around. I would probably have exited the trade there at that point when I see it going the wrong way into the matrix. Yeah, so 2 losses, and this one it was a small win, but guess what? It's not really much to celebrate at all there. I could do a risk reward, but I'd probably be a little bit frazzled, to be honest. It was there, maybe 1%. So what I've done is I'll add the 1%, but I know I've got 2% minus the add-on to the other end, so I'm down 2% for this trade for US oil. We'll add that on the end. Then at this point, does it again, every single one we get in the trade, stop loss just below. Now this time we'll get 2 lines. I'll explain this later on. So put it below the second one, and it goes all the way up. And then I'll bring this down. Choices. Do the matrix. You can do with it changes color, the money trend, the trend change. It comes with the technology. I'll do it there. Worst case scenario. Call that 3% plus 3%. So we've made 4% total for that one and lost 2. So that'll be 2% total for that one particular one. Guess what, ladies and gentlemen? If you wanted, you could get that. It does break the rules a little bit. It does have to break the rules because the money line is still green, so I'm not going to claim any of that. If you did do it, you could have an extra maybe a few pips there, but I'm not going to claim that. New day, we'll get to the new day stuff. So here we go. There's one put earlier, 2.62%, getting out there. Yeah, money line turns red here. You could scalp that down if you wish, but I'm choosing not to. Yeah, where do I put this? Follow my rules there. That would be a loss, so I would put my stop loss just to the other side of it. It's a minus 1% for that. So I'll remove that, it's -1. Yep, so I get in, book it back out. But you could do a break, a retest, and then get into there. But let's just call it -1, following the rules. Been doing before. Just out of the line. And the matrix it finishes there. It's 4.51 plus, let's call this one 2.5. 2, 4, 6, 7%. -1. So far now we're at -3. Yep. French 40. This one, 1.34. The money line turns red. Into the trade. Second one there. Put this to the other side. Goes down. Hits the matrix. Exit the trade. Nothing there. Well, small win, but we're not even going to count that, ladies and gentlemen. We're not going to count that. We'll claim this one though. Call that break even. Yeah. And this one here, we'll call a loss because we would have been in the trade there again, and that would have been a so let's say 4% loss in total. In total, it's 1%. Yep. And then we go back in again. Yep. That one there. See that? Because I'm just seeing just the other side of the line. If you want, you could have put it a bit higher, or even up there. That's just the other side of the line. Down there. At point was nearly 5% for, but let's just use the matrix as we've been doing. 1.5 plus 1.5. 4 more to go. This one we've got 3.32. Where's the matrix? The money line there. Uncertainty is hovering around them. You know, I could have made something like that. I'll just stay at this one here. This one here, I'll probably tempted to get into that there. But let's, because of this here, yeah, depends on the rules you play. could have been a loss if we set and forget. Let's say minus 5%. Well, that's a loss because I would have get in there and my stop loss would have been underneath here. Minus 5%. Remember that at the end. Yeah, next one, long position. There. This is more like scalping, ladies and gentlemen. It's not really my style. Up there. There. Call it 1% plus 1. Yeah. And you can see it's been quite choppy all day here. Really not feeling the love. I would probably say I've had enough. I've gained 1% and I've lost 1%. Bit of a wasted day for this one here. So far I'm at minus 5 plus of what I've got to show you here. So before we go any further, ladies and gentlemen, this is what I'm currently at. 57.5%. 57.5% growth. I'll say that again. 57.5% using the trade like Jeff money line strategy. You only need 0.5% growth per day. To take off of that, 5% to take off of that figure. I've still got three to go. So here we go. Here we go. Where's the price? Price opens up there, we get 2% growth. Where's the money line? It's still green in the trade here. If you wish to get back in. Yeah. I'd probably put stop loss either there. It would be, let's say we choose it the other side of the money line, though it's a bit push. Do I have, is this a flat top? There's a wick. Now I'll put it the other side of the line again. It means this one's not much, if anything at all. It goes up to over 1% and then comes down and it hits there. Got a 0.41. Let's not even call that one in. Let's forget about that trade. Although yes, it was a win because the matrix took us out in profit. We use matrix to stop profit in these situations. It comes down, we get a red matrix and we get a red money line. So this time we turn it to short. Yeah, there. Yeah, what we learned. Break the retest. This one here. All the way down. Just about there, just a little bit. And then 2.51. So plus 2.5. That's us up to 60%, ladies and gentlemen. 60%. Yeah. We've got 5 to take off still. Yeah. And about that 2 point, we'll call that 2.5 as well, plus. That one I'm not going to talk about. It's nothing. So 62.5. Here we've got 3.81%. It's the matrix. Some people scalp that down, but I'm not. What I'm doing is simple rules. Enter after there, just to the side of the red line. You get some losers, you get some winners. What there? 5.5% plus 5.5 plus 3.81. So you call it 3.5. And the last one, the Aussie 200. And this one was a bit of a nightmare day, to be honest. Using the same rules applied here. You saw that big one. This could have been a no trade day. Come back up here. Where's the money line? It's top. Everything's showing red at the top underneath here. Could you have got this eventually at the end of the day? I would have been exhausted. So I'm going to leave that at 71.5%. I have to take off 5% for the loss, with 5 losses, minus 5. So therefore, the results, yeah, if you can see that, ladies and gentlemen, that's the results for today. If you're trading one day from start to finish, these 12 trading instruments, 66.5 You only need 0.5, and the Trade Light ETF Moneyline program system that I offer in the one-to-one mentoring program is absolutely smashed that. It's actually did 120 days growth. So 66. 120 days. I hope people can see value here. People can see value, what's possible, what's available. For those people that put the hand up and say they want the one-to-one mentoring program. Those people that may know me from other sources, you may be able to get it there, but it won't get one-to-one mentoring for sure, because I don't have 500 hours a week spare. But anyway, to do one-to-one mentoring. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to wish you a good day. Those people in another platform, you know, you get me in the ninjas, you know, you get me every single week. You know, you get all my recordings, my V70. You can apply the V70 strategy to these trading instruments and get similar results. Yeah, you have all my bite-sized videos. Now, I know the smart, intelligent people out there. Now, the people that are looking for one-to-one mentoring, just to help me get that next level. Yeah, this is a marketing plug. Absolutely is. But the truth is, I only have space for two more people. Had more people showing interest yesterday, but until everything goes through, as someone said to me, it's just a rumor. It may sound harsh, but it's reality. The people that are in, you're in. You know, you get the system, you get everything on the 1st of January, like I say, every single day. If there's any spots left, okay, it closes the 7th of January. I'm saying this day after day now, only got 2 spots left. If you're wanting in, give us a shout. If people are new, if people here are new, never traded before, I would not recommend this. I would recommend something else. Send me a message. And of those people that are new, I highly recommend coming to our academy, absolutely, and our Ninja Trading Forex team, absolutely incredible. And I'm fortunate to be one of the educators there. I'm there with people. And again, I'm going to be completely honest, way more, have much more experience than me. I trade from a simplistic perspective. Think if it's red, if all the red matches up, the money line's red background, red candles for a sell. If it's green background, green money line, green candles to buy. If you can match the colors, you can trade. But to be honest, you do need a bit of experience. I know, as simple as that sounds, and that's what we teach inside the ninjas in our academy. For those people that have never traded before, guess what? Give me a shout, and I'll happily give you the strategy. I'll happily give you the strategy, but let's focus on one thing. Let's focus what's in the ninjas. It's incredible. What you get there is simply incredible. Because they taught me. These are the guys that showed me and our academy. So, ladies and gentlemen, Richard Clay have been on in the background today. Today we're focused not on pips, although he did see quite easily. We beat our target for the day very early on with the very first trading instrument. 200 pips for gold for the day. We only need 100 a day to achieve the 500 pips per week club. And then we have another 11 other trading instruments. Today we focus on risk to reward, and that was today's growth. I don't know if you can see that. In one day. Your target is only 0.5%. How many days growth is that? Wherever you are, ladies and gentlemen, I will see you at the top. Have a great day. Bye for now.